Tools you will need: a flathead screwdriver, Phillips head drill, or a Phillips head screwdriver. Begin by unlocking the window and removing the sash. Using two hands, take your flathead screwdriver and unlock the shoe, sliding the balance up until it is completely closed. Unscrew the balance and slide it out of the cutout. Repeat on all sides as needed. Take your new balance and slide it into the cutout and screw back into position. Repeat on all sides as needed. Using two hands, use your flathead screwdriver to unlock the shoe and slide down to the top of the bottom sash stop on each side. Put your sash stops and window dams back on. Take your top sash and place back into position, making sure that your pivot bars are seated correctly in the shoe. Then tilt back in your window. Repeat with the bottom sash. When finished, close and lock the window.